Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today I am going to be unboxing Dell's brand new wireless headset, the WL3024. And if you saw my video from a few weeks ago where I unboxed the wired headset, today we are going to be looking at the wireless, and you can expect the same animation, the same excitement, because this is a headset that Dell has built, designed from the ground up. So this is 100% a Dell design. Shout out to the designers, engineers, and everyone who worked to put these headsets together. They are absolutely spectacular. I suppose the wireless is going to be no different, so let's jump in. So let's pop the box open, and voila. We've got the headset over here, which is great to see. We do have the quick start guide, safety regulatory information. Let's place this down here, over here, and this is the USB-C dongle. Let's go ahead and open this bag, and it comes in a wonderful carrying case, so it's got a really nice texture to it. We've got a little pocket for it's a braided USB-C. This is probably for charging. Let's place that down. We have a dongle that is going to go from USB-C to USB-A. This is likely going to go in like so if I'm not pairing it via Bluetooth, if I need to connect to USB-A, or if I just need to connect with USB Type-C. Let's place that down. This is the little pouch that it comes with. You got like area up here for the cable. Very smart. And here we go. Oh my goodness. This looks awesome. Wow. So you got the Leatherette memory foam cushions. This thing is super light. Nice. You're able to pull it up. You can wear it with the headset on this side, or if I wanted to wear the boom mic on the other side, you're able to flip that up. You've got your USB Type-C input for charging over here. So on screen is the actual button layout. So on one side you will have mute your mic, bring up the Teams instance, and then on the other is your play button, pick up, volume down, volume up, as well as your power button. So as you can see, I've got it just on here for a quick test on comfort, and I wear glasses and I don't feel the pressure on my ears, and I could probably wear this all day without feeling headset fatigue. Let's jump into the setup pairing with Dell Pair, Dell Peripheral Manager, and we'll talk about some of the functionality in just a few moments. So let's go ahead and get this charged. For a wireless headset, you will see the two status indicator lights, which are great. So if you're on a Teams meeting, they can turn red, and we'll demo that as well. But I'm going to charge this. On one full charge, you can get about 41 hours of battery life. And then from a quick charge perspective, 15 minutes will get me about 8 hours of battery life. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes. So I can connect the headset via the dongle, either USB-C, where you use the converter to go to USB-A, or via Bluetooth. In my instance, I've got my Precision Workstation just behind me. We're going to go ahead and plug in the dongle here and pull up Dell Peripheral Manager. So already on my headset it said one device is connected, and now let's pull up Dell Peripheral Manager. So loading it for the first time, you'll be able to see plug in the dongle, hold the headset power button for 3 seconds to pair via Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and click continue. So using the mic one way or the other, you can mute your mic if it's up, if it's down, it's live. And then just the buttons, as I mentioned with the actual user guide, customization right at your fingertips, which is great to see. So from a device perspective, we got the device connected. You're able to see if I had paired this with 2 different devices here via Bluetooth, they'd show up over here. From an audio setting perspective, I've got it set up on collaboration mode. You could toggle multimedia. Do I want to have bass boost, speech boost, treble boost, or custom? I have an EQ for me to adjust the lows, mids, highs, so you have a lot of customization there. From a mic noise cancellation, so it's toggled on. And then from a Sidetone perspective, if I want to hear my voice in the headset, so I get that validation as to how I sound, you can then go and customize the slider. And then from a device perspective, you do have your busy indicator light. So if I'm on a Teams meeting, you'll see the red light over there. And then from a voice guidance perspective, if I want the prompts to make the noise in my ears, I can certainly customize that. That is pretty much it from a Dell Peripheral Manager customization standpoint. We'll go ahead and do a demo of the noise cancellation with a lawnmower clip that I'll play on my phone, and we'll do some testing there. So I've got the lawnmower sound playing on my phone and ambient noise around me. And let's go ahead and toggle the mic noise cancellation on and see what happens there. So now that it's on, hopefully the lawnmower sound is not coming through on the video, and you'll be able to hear kind of my voice crystal clear. So we're going to wrap things up here. So remember, you're going to hear crystal clear audio. It's been purposefully designed with leatherette cushions that are replaceable. So if they do get damaged or over time you want to replace them, you can certainly do that. Out of the box, it is certified for Teams and Zoom. But it will also work with other applications. You do have a 3-year advanced exchange warranty. So we took a look at the device itself, played around with the boom mic. It does have the dongle, so you can go from USB Type A connectivity as well as USB Type C. It does work with Bluetooth, so you can connect 2 devices simultaneously. It does work with Dell Peripheral Manager, which we checked out. Dell Pair, another slick offering. So if you did have a Dell Pair enabled system, as soon as you turn on the Bluetooth, it automatically pop up. You click pair and you can hit the ground running there. 41 hours of battery life, which is awesome. And then, short charge in 15 minutes, as I stated a little earlier, you can get up to about 8 hours of battery life. So if you're in a pinch and the battery dies during your workday, don't worry, you can get back up and running in no time. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the WL3024 unboxing and overview. We did do some testing with the sound quality as well as the active noise cancellation. Thanks so much. Feel free to like, comment, share, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.